We often hear the word revolution and think of politics or protest. But the most powerful revolution is quiet, personal, and invisible. It's called human revolution. Today, we are not just discussing a Buddhist concept, we are reflecting on a way of life. Human revolution is the heart of nature in Buddhism. It's not about changing the world out there, but it's about transforming the world which is within. Let's explore what it means to truly change from the inside us. So, what is human revolution? Human revolution is not about becoming something else. It's about becoming your better self. It's about becoming a better, deeper, and more courageous version of yourself. It can be as simple as a student who decides to stop wasting time and start studying sincerely. It can be as simple as a mother who moves from caring only for her family to embracing a mission for peace and deeper happiness. A father who goes beyond his comfort zone to support someone suffering. This may seem a very small changes, but they are powerful acts of self-transformation. So, what exactly the human revolution means? It means changing our inner tendencies and karma, breaking free from the lower life states like anger, greed, and fear, moving towards the world of compassion and wisdom, the Bodhisattva and Buddha within. Now, it's not a one time event, but a lifelong growth powered by chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, a step beyond slow growth. It is an inner breakthrough powered by our faith and practice. Human revolution is not a distinct or mystical. It starts with a single daimoku, a single decision, a single act of courage. Our Buddhist practice provides the fuel for sustained inner change. Daimoku is not just chanting, it is how we connect with the life of the Buddha. Through chanting and faith, we achieve the fusion of our life with the wisdom. That's when the power to transform truly arises. There are many revolutions in the world political, economic, technological. All of them matter. But none will change the world unless the people driving them are compassionate. Human revolution is the most fundamental revolution. It is the spiritual root of all positive change. Human revolution goes beyond self improvement. When one person transforms, a family changes, a community is uplifted, a peaceful society is built. That is a bloodless revolution, the most essential for humanity. Like Sensei Dr. Daisaku Ikeda says, and I quote, a great human revolution in just a single individual will help achieve a change in the destiny of a nation and further will enable a change in the destiny of all humankind. Unquote. Each of us has the power to lead a revolution, not in the streets, but in our hearts. And that inner transformation, our human revolution, can ripple outward to change our families, communities, and even the world. Let's begin with one courageous step today. So, now that we have understood what human revolution is, let's take it one step further. How do we know if we are actually growing? How can we see the signs of our own human revolution in daily life? That's where the indicators of human revolution come in. These are not rigid checkboxes or qualifications. They are more like a signpost, gentle reminder and reflections of how our inner transformation is showing up in the real world. They are living, breathing reflections of our inner journey. Signs that our faith is alive, our lives are in rhythm with the mystic law, and we are moving forward step by step. Now, instead of just reading them out, I'm going to play a little game with all of you, and I hope that you all will enjoy it as well. So, how it works? I'll read out a real life scenario, something that you all can easily relate to. Then you will have to guess out of the 7 indicators which scenario it represents, and then we will discuss about this scenario. And don't worry, there are no wrong answers, just opportunity to reflect ourselves. So let's awaken our wisdom, compassion, and conviction together. So, ready to play? Scenario 1. Every time I feel overwhelmed with stress, I chant for 30 minutes instead of complaining. My BP is more stable now, and even my doctor asked me what I am doing differently. So, what indicator it is talking about? The indicator is health. The first indicator whether you are on your own human revolution is health, the foundation of our mission. We are not aiming to be a superheroes, but striving for health is a way to respect the precious life. We can't fulfill our mission if we are struggling physically. Striving for health doesn't mean perfection. It means aligning our life rhythm with the mystic law. Through chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, through taking a proper rest and a balanced life. I started learning the tabla at the age of 55, just because I always wanted to. Chanting gave me the courage to stop saying I am too old for this. What indicator we are talking about? The indicator we are talking about here is youthfulness. Remember, it's not about age, it's about mileage. So, as Sensei says, the moment we stop challenging, we grow old. As long as we continue to challenge, we remain youthful. Human revolution means polishing our spirit daily, chanting with vigor, learning with humility, and living with hope. It means staying curious, hopeful, and filled with energy for self-improvement. It's like being a student of life forever. Third scenario. Out of nowhere, a friend gifted me exactly what I needed without even asking. Also, got a parking spot right in front of the mall. What indicator we are talking about here? We are talking about indicator of good fortune, the unseen armor of protection. Good fortune is not about winning lotteries. It's being in the right place at the right time, protected from harm, surrounded by encouragement. It's born from Daimoku, faith, and tireless action for Kosen Rufu. Fourth scenario. I was tempted to yell back, but I paused, chanted, and chose a calmer response. It changed the whole outcome. We are talking about indicator of wisdom, a wisdom that will help us in navigating our life with clarity. So, when we say wisdom, we are not talking about knowledge here. This is a kind of wisdom that helps you make the right decisions, guide others, and overcome difficulties. It is earned by chanting and challenging yourself. Wisdom is what helps us lead others and ourselves toward hope through clarity rooted in faith. Fifth scenario. Even though I work a full-time job and take care of 2 kids, I chant for at least one new person every week and share Buddhism every chance I get, even in the local Kirana store queue. Which indicator we are talking about here? We are talking about indicator passion, the flame of Kosen Rufu in action. A life without passion is like a candle without flame. When we burn with passion for Kosen Rufu, every day becomes meaningful. It is a passion that transforms challenges into fuel. Sixth scenario. Even when everyone doubted me, I stuck to my Daimoku and followed my heart. Eventually, it all turned around. Which indicator we are talking about here? We are talking about indicator of conviction, the compass in life storms. Nichiren Daishonin stood unshaken on Sado, in snow and in solitude. Our conviction, faith in the Gohonzon and in our own Buddhahood is our unshakable pillar. The seventh and the last scenario is, for 5 years, my relationship with my father was strained. I chanted consistently and decided to greet him daily, no matter how he reacted. 2 months ago, he hugged me for the first time in years. We are talking about indicator of victory, proving the power of the mystic law. It's not about medals. Victory means inner triumph. Got up when you wanted to stay in bed. Smiled when the life said frown. That's a victory. Victory doesn't mean no problem. It means transforming poison into medicine and showing actual proof through your life. Nichiren says, winter always turns to spring. Now, at the core of human revolution is compassion. Not passive sympathy, but the courage to act for others' happiness. When we awaken to our mission as Bodhisattva of the earth, every step we take in faith becomes a noble revolution. Whether we are rich or poor, young or old, known or unknown, what matters is our spirit to uphold the correct teaching and work for the betterment of society. Human revolution is not just self-change, it's joyful, courageous dedication. That's how we become the sun that brightens the life of others. Thank you.